Hey everyone, so I've got my Galaxy Plasma Light Projector here. This was gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you the features and then give you a demonstration. I'll just let you know right away, I really love this. I wish I had this as a kid, and so I'm really excited to show this to you. So I'll get into the features of this in just a moment, but it does come with a remote control. Now there are some controls right here on the side, so you can definitely use it that way. The remote control is easier for me to use, but they're both fantastic ways to do it. It comes with it. We got two figures here. We've got an alien and an astronaut and some steps. And then we also have a power cord. Now this has to be plugged in continuously for power. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the steps up there like that. Then put our two figures up here. And then of course we're gonna plug that in. So let me go ahead and plug that in and I'll show you everything that it does. So now that I have it plugged in, you can see right here at the top, we do have a clock right there. But when you turn it on with the remote control, it's going to go through a little display where it plays some music. And you'll see the plasma is lit up through there. And as I put my finger through there, that plasma actually gets right near my finger, which looks really neat. So you can adjust the color for the lights up here and in here. Now there are multiple colors, and what it's going to do is cycle through all these. Now it does have white noise, and there's quite a few selections from just white noise, the ocean, rain, and things like that. If you didn't want to hear that, it also has Bluetooth. So you could hook this up straight to your smart device and play whatever sounds you want to. And then if you'll also notice, the lights are projecting an image onto the wall, just kind of moving really slow. So it's got a lot of features. It's pretty cool. I really like this, and I hope you found this helpful.